Hello, movie enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the mystical world of The Craft with the Collector's Edition 4K Ultra HD Plus Blu-ray. This iconic 90s supernatural thriller has been beautifully remastered to deliver an unparalleled viewing experience, bringing every spellbinding moment to life in stunning 4K Ultra HD clarity. Whether you're a longtime fan or a newcomer to the story of four high school girls who dabble in witchcraft, this edition offers a visual and auditory feast that enhances the film's eerie atmosphere and captivating performances. The Blu-ray version ensures that you can enjoy the film in high definition, even if you haven't upgraded to 4K yet. With its rich colors and crisp details, every scene is more immersive than ever, making it a must-have for collectors and horror aficionados alike. Don't miss the chance to revisit this cult classic with the added depth and detail that modern technology brings, ensuring The Craft remains as enchanting and thrilling as ever. So, grab your popcorn, dim the lights, and prepare to be spellbound by this ultimate edition of a beloved classic. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.